Kaya hindi natin 'tong puwedeng iwanan si Digong. Dahil tayo ang may kagagawan kung bakit si Digong ginawa niya ang kanyang ginawa. We needed him to resolve that crisis for us. He did it. And he said na he doesn't care if he's going to rot in hell. We
Mhm.
rewarded him with a mandate, overwhelming mandate. Kaya 'wag tayong mapagod. Dahil it is not Digong who is on trial. It is the Filipino people who is on trial. We are an independent country. And the price of independence is solving your own problems by yourself. You don't need anyone, you don't need any help to fix it. Otherwise, if you keep on asking for help, you will be dependent on that help. We know all that. Independence means fixing your own problems. Kayong mga kakamping, you are immature. Why do you need foreigners to fix your own problem? Alam niyo kung bakit? Because a lot of you still live with your parents. A lot of you are still on the leash of your own parents. You need others to fix your problem for you. Just like BBM. Who does BBM need in order to fix his problems? His wife. That's who you are. That's what we are now. Kaya we have to go out, assert our independence, self-determination. At
Correct.
ninyo, binoto namin si Digong para ganyan ang gawin niya. O di
Mhm.
kung if you would put Digong on trial, then you put the millions of Filipinos who voted him into power
Mm.
on trial.
Mm.
Kung ayaw ng mga Pilipino yung ginawa niya, bakit si Sara naging 32 million ng votes? Sige nga, tapos iiwanan natin si Digong? Tapos
Oo.
sasabihin ng mga kakampigs, why ang majority ng mga Pilipino has to bow down to the minority? Anong klaseng demokrasya 'yan? Tapos yung minority naman wala naman silang matinong solusyon sa drugi.